Your learning target for today is that you can graph a line representing an additive relationship given the equation in the form y equals x plus b and given an ordered pair and y-intercept by earning at least a 7 out of 10 on your exit ticket. Now notice here we are now changing that relationship from proportional to additive. And when we were talking about proportional, we always emphasize that proportional meant that there was multiplication happening in the equation y equals mx. Well, if we take a look at our formula here now, we're talking about the additive relationship, but notice we don't have that m, but now we are adding a b. Okay, so big difference between proportional and additive. So go ahead and please take out your pink TOC for Unit 4. Notice I am putting this in TOC slot number 6 because I want to make sure that we are keeping our proportional relationship material together in 1 through 5. So in slot number 6, please go ahead and update your TOC with the y-intercept.